In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Grow a Garden Discord server in Roblox. So over here, what you have to do is first, of course, you want to open up your Roblox. So let me just quickly close down this. There we go. And you want to open up your Discord. And once you've opened up your Discord over here, you want to click on this plus icon, which says add a server here on the left. And after that, it says have an invite already. You want to click on join a server. Now, you want to go where it says invite link, and you just want to fill that in up to this slash over here. So https://discord. There we go. And then .gg and then slash. And then you just want to type in grow a garden, just like this. Okay. So this is what it is. You want to click on join server. And there we go, it's going to join the server, which is the official Grow a Garden server. Over here, you've got different announcements, updates, leaks, roles, etc. over here. Now, I would actually recommend you join this very quickly because it's getting a lot of people in here, and once a lot of people join, the server may become full and you won't be able to join anymore. And if that does happen to you, so in case you come in here and you see that the server is full and you basically can't join anymore, what I would recommend is just keep on trying like every few hours or so, because some people may leave the server and then new spots will get released and you'll be able to hop in. But of course, you will have to get a bit lucky to get in case that's happening to you. So make sure you join in as soon as possible because this will get full pretty soon. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.